I would like to show you how to extract number list from WhatsApp group for WhatsApp marketing campaign. We are going to do the practical on marketing campaign for WhatsApp, Telegram, SMS, and email, and some other social platform that is normally used phone number. This is what we are going to get, how to get the number for to use. I will doing it step by step on how to get the number on WhatsApp. So later we upload it to the Gmail for WhatsApp marketing. Now let's go to the first thing that you have to do is to log into from the website. You are going to use, you cannot do it on your phone. You are going to do it on laptop or desktop. This is how you are going to do it. You log into the web whatsapp.com. You log in your WhatsApp web. So you go to the group that you want to get their number list. So like this one now, look at it. Look at the numbers that we want to extract out to use for campaign or to send SMS, to do anything. So we right click on this place, we go to inspect. When we get to inspect, it's going to open element, console, sources, but we are dealing with elements. So it's already highlighted the number that the code that we need. It is code. Actually it's number, but it normally comes with as a code here. So we right click again, we go to copy, elements. So we've already copied it. So what we need to do is just to go to our Excel. So inside our Excel, this is what we are going to do. This is our Excel. So we paste it inside the Excel here. Everything will be in one column. It's going to be in one column. It's only in one column. It's going to be, you can see it, look at it here. It's only in one column. It does not go to any other column. It's only one cell, rather one cell. So now what we need to do is this. We want to change the code to number, to come as a number. How do we do it? We go to this place, we highlight this code. When we highlight, we copy it. After we copy it, we go to find and replace. We click here, we paste and we replace. Can you see? It's already changed all the numbers. The code has changed to the numbers. So for you to see. So the next thing that we are going to do here is that we want to split the number into pieces. We go to data. We go to text to columns. We choose fixed width. We click next. I just want to remove this so that everything will come in one cell. I don't want it to be in many cells. So I click next and finish. Now let's see the cell. You can see it's already split all the number into different cells. So the next thing that we are going to do here now is that we will go to find and replace again. We go to the find and replace again. What are we trying to do here is this. We want to change the number to 7. You can see I put a space at the back of the replace with. So it's already do the something. creating space in between the numbers. Can you see? It's already create space in between the number. I do the other one like that. 8. Can you see? It's already do everything. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is that we will copy all the number and change it to a row as it is, because we cannot save the number like this. So what we need to do is just to copy the number, highlight it and copy the number here. Can you see? We copy. So after we've copied, we go to mobile. Yeah, here is the mobile. We now put it here. So by putting it here, what we are going to do now is that we go to this place, we click on transpose. The number is going to change. We now delete this. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is to remove the comma at the back. Replace again. Comma. Nothing should be inside the replace with. I'll remove it. And you see, everything has been removed. So the number is already there. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to go on and save the number article with a tag. I will tag it with article 1, 2. So after this, you can see I've done everything. I will now go to save and send 97 to 2003 and click on it. So I changed save as type to CSV MS DOS and I save it. So I click OK. That is how we normally save number. You can now use that number to go and upload it on your Gmail so that you can access it on your phone. Thank you for watching.